Okay, Foley, Donut, Teardrop, you're here randomly. Why am I here? Say, I'm underrated. Okay, your guys' chance to throw frisbee. Fiery, you should demonstrate. Ow! What did I ever do? Gelatin, you suck. Yeah, I like doing it with Lolly, but hey, you're not supposed to say that. Throw it back at Fiery. Ow, no! Oh my gosh, So what do you do with this frisbee now? Eat it. Wait, no. Wait, you can talk? Yes, of course you can talk. Are you stupid or something, Gelatin? Yes. Fiery, eat him. Wait, nah! Wait, oopsies. Fiery, I gave my owner. Eat him. Wait, nah! Okay, so you guys know how to do this? Last one to catch, no, we're doing monkey in the middle. We're going to have this for, until Fiery says it's over. We have no timer on board. Yeah, after a little while, once we say time over, whoever's the monkey in the middle is gets deleted. Go. So we'll start with Donut. What? That's unfair! TD, you should go far. No, I didn't literally mean it. I need to get close to TD. Hey, no fair. Oh, by the way, there's a restricted area, so you cannot go as far as you want. Since we don't have enough budget for going far. And for going high, yeah, we also have a budget for that.
Okay, I think I healed up. So I'm gonna...
So what are we doing now? We just float in the sky.
I just saw a spider spawn.
Yeah. Okay, TD, I'll go really far. What? You know what? No, I'm gonna try and stop TD. Hey, I got the frisbee. Oh, come on, man. And Donut has got the frisbee. Which means that Foley's now in the middle. Yikesers, I'm in the middle now. We now start with Donut. TD, I got an idea.
Oh, ow.
Dang, bro, I got like no reaction time.
Yeah, I already know everything.
Wow, I didn't even have to do anything. And now Teardrop is in the middle. Yay, we all made it into the middle. Hey, Donut, catch. Thanks, Foley. Alright, Teardrop, you're so skilled. Wait, TD, what are you doing? What are you doing? TD, you're not even supposed to do that. TD, what are you doing? Oh, this is what you get for making me suffer. You are gonna get the same fate as me.
Dude, the creeper exploded diamond.
I never knew TD could talk. Frisbee, Fiery speaker box. Y'all's wanna go somewhere else? I mean, yeah, we're all down. We just gotta get away from TD. Oh, I'll make it painful. I'll make it painful enough. I've already suffered being eliminated in Bfdi Algodo, then rejoining and then getting out again. You guys are very stupid. Get over here. You're not escaping me this time. You're not escaping.